So today I'm going to show you how to create Java code where you will move our dog, we shall call Doug, from the left side, top left side of our screen, and slide him down to the bottom right hand side of the screen. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to define our function known as turn right. So this is really important. So we're telling the computer that when we say turn right, we are actually asking you to move left 3 times. So we need to be very specific, and we need to type in turn right and then open and close parentheses and then turn left again, and then turn left again. So these are the recommendations that we're giving when we type the function turn right. So we are going to close this and we're going to start. So we're going to ask Doug to put the ball down. Then we're going to ask Doug to move. Then we're going to ask Doug to turn right and use that function that we just defined on the top hand side of on the top of our screen. And you'll notice that when it's red, it's actually telling you that there's some mistake in your code. Then we're going to ask you to move. And then we're going to ask Doug to put a ball down. Again, opening and closing parentheses. Then we're going to ask Doug to turn left. Move again. Then use our define function, turn right. And then move. Then put the ball down. And then turn left. So when I execute this code, let's see what happens if it works. And it does. Thanks for watching.